In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set goals in Monarch Money. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to choose the right type of goal so Monarch can keep you motivated and on track. Start by opening Monarch Money in your browser and head to your dashboard. Once you're in, look at the left side of the screen and find the Goals section. This is where all of your future plans live, from short-term savings to long-term milestones. Go ahead and click Goals to open the Goals area. Inside the Goals page, look for the Add Goals button. Click that to begin creating a new goal. Monarch keeps this process simple so you can set things up quickly without getting lost in settings. Next, you'll see a set of goal types to choose from. Pick the one that best matches what you're saving for. Emergency fund is great for building a cushion for unexpected expenses. Car is designed for buying a vehicle or preparing for a lease. Wedding helps you plan for an upcoming celebration. Retirement is the long game, useful for tracking big picture savings. Down payment is perfect if you're working toward a home purchase. Vacation helps you set aside money for travel. Education supports school or courses. And savings is a flexible option if your plan doesn't fit a specific category. Choose the category that aligns with your purpose. If you're unsure, savings or emergency fund are solid choices to get started, and you can always refine details later. What matters most is that the category reflects your intent, because Monarch will display and track it in a way that makes sense for that type of goal. Once you've made your selection, click Continue. Monarch will guide you through the rest of the setup so your goal can start tracking. At this point, it's helpful to pause and think about what would make the goal meaningful to you, like a realistic target amount and a time frame that fits your budget. You don't need to overthink it right now. You can adjust as your situation changes. Starting small and building momentum is often the best approach. To recap the flow you'll use each time. Open your Monarch dashboard, go to Goals on the left, click Add Goals, choose the goal type that fits your plan, and then hit Continue. That's all it takes to get your first goal into Monarch Money and begin making steady progress. Thanks for watching, and feel free to follow along step by step as you set up your own goals.